Hello, welcome to our assembly. I hope you are all feeling brilliant. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and I hope you've had a great day. And if you haven't had a good day so far, what are you going to do about it? It's nobody else's job to make today great except yours. So you can decide today is going to be brilliant. You can be really positive. You can be excited about your new learning. You can be happy to see your friends. It's all down to you. Now, we're going to think about all sorts of things that have happened quite recently. We're going to think about Saturday, and we're going to think about Monday. So Monday, when you're watching this, it will be today, hopefully. For me, it's tomorrow because I'm recording this on Sunday. It gets very complicated. But Monday, the 14th of February, is St. Valentine's Day. And it's traditional for people to give cards to the people that they love on Valentine's Day. So, I really love you. And that's nice for somebody to give a Valentine's card to their partner. That's really lovely because he's saying, I love you. But actually, we could say, I love you to lots of different people. You could go home and say, I love you to the people that you live with. You could show that you love that person. You don't necessarily want to say it to your brother or sister, but you might show them that you quite like them. You might do a favour for them. You might pick the bag up off the hall floor, hang the coat up, make them a cup of tea. There's lots of different ways that you can show that. And it's not just about showing love for a partner, for a boyfriend, girlfriend, husband or wife or whatever. It's about showing that you care for other people. And that's why it's really important that we have a think about what happened on Saturday. Saturday the 12th was our Kenya Partnership Day. Now, some of you guys will remember when our Kenyan friends came over a few years ago, and Madam Faith taught in all of the classes. And some of you might remember when Mrs. Crawford went to Kenya and she taught in the Kenyan school in Njuro DEB and met some of our Kenyan friends. And some of the older children might remember when me and Mrs. Webb went, which was even longer ago. And it's really important because we have been friends with the people at Njuro DEB, the children, the teachers, for a very long time now, for 13 years. That's a really, really long time. That's a really long time. And it's an amazing thing that we've managed to do that. So our school motto, our mission statement, is about aiming to be responsible local, national and global citizens. And it's important, particularly with Valentine's Day, to think about who your friends are, who your neighbours are. Who do you love? Who do you think about? Who do you care for? Who do you respect? Because if we're going to be responsible local citizens, then we're going to need to care for the people around us, care for our mates, care for our families, care for our neighbours. If we're going to be responsible national citizens, we need to think about care for other people around England, around the UK, in Ireland, in Scotland, in Wales. But if we're going to be responsible global citizens, we need to think about what's going on in other places around the world. We need to know that there are children in Kenya thinking about us right now, because the Kenyan children and the Njuro DEB have had an assembly that's going. I'll show you a picture in a minute of what their assembly would look like. Bit different to this, but they've been thinking about this partnership. They've been talking with their head teacher and their class teachers about how important it is that they are like the children at Wincham and that the children in Wincham are like them. So it's important that we learn from each other because we're learning, growing and dreaming. Okay, so you can think about what you want to be when you grow up. I asked this same question to the kids in Kenya and some of them said pilots. Some of them said doctors because they wanted to help people. And that's about being the responsible local, national and global citizens. So we all want the same thing. The children in Kenya are all a different colour skin to me. But we are the same because we want to do the same things. We want to look after each other. We want to help each other. We want to learn together. So despite the fact that we look different, we have that massive similarity because we know that there's no outsiders at Wincham. Everybody is welcome. Everybody is welcome in Wincham. Everybody is welcome in Northwich. Everybody is welcome in the United Kingdom and worldwide, to make sure that we have that global goal, partnerships with the goals, peace and justice and strong institutions, to make sure that we make it a happy place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop talking now, and I'm going to ask your teachers to show you another video. There's another video in the Assemblies playlist, which is a little bit about the partnership in Kenya. There's photos from Najuro DEB, so you can see what it looks like. And there is a photo, there's a back of my head in it, and there's a photo of the assembly. Okay, and it's all the children sat out on the field. I want you to have a look at that because it's very, very different to what we're doing right now. Okay, just to give you the idea of what life is like in Kenya. Okay, because it's really, really important. It's easy to muddle along through our day and not think about people apart from ourselves or apart from our mates and the people around us. But actually, we've got friends in another part of the world, and that's really important important that we remember that as well. Okay, see you around school.